Friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix PRAGMATA gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller drivers. For that, you need to connect your PC and controller first. After that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display here you have to expand human interface devices. Select your controller, right click on it. Now click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers, and after that launch the game and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and then check whether controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here select enable Steam input and then launch the game and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back. Here you have to select disable Steam input and then check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then come back again. Here you have to select use default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, then click on check for updates and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available, and after that try to launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next method is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and devices. From here you have to remove your controller. Click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again open settings, Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else, and here you have to add your controller, and after that check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to check for game updates. You must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game and check. So you will be able to see an update option available over here. Click on it, and once done, then launch the game and check if controller is working or not. Next is to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google, or even you can go through the link I have already given in the description over here. Simply just copy and paste it in your browser. So after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on download option. This will download DS4 Windows tool. Now after downloading, you have to install it and then connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch PRAGMATA game and then check for the error. Next is to enter big picture mode. So this is yet another useful method. You simply have to go to Steam, select your game under library section. In the above side you can see enter big picture mode. Simply click on it. After clicking on it, you have to select your game and then click on the play button. After that, exit big picture mode and then check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are solutions that are suggested to fix PRAGMATA gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.